Hello, dear students. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 6. Subject is math. This is chapter 3. The name of this chapter is Playing with Numbers. This is the fourth video on this chapter. In previous videos, we have read many topics such as multiples, factors, prime numbers, composite numbers, prime triplet, and many other things. Here our topic of discussion is test for divisibility of a number by seeing how we can say this number is divisible by any particular number or not. Normally what happens, if a number will be given, suppose any number has given, we have to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. Then we have to do the actual division. After completion of the actual division process, we can say this number is divisible by 3 or not. Here we have to read some rules. With the help of these rules, without actual division, we can say any given number is divisible by any particular number or not. Before starting our discussion, we have to understand what is divisibility. First, we have to know what is divisibility. We have studied about the factors. For example, the factors of 20 is 1, 2, 5, 4, 20, 10. These are the factors of 20. And we have studied each factor is a divisor of the given number. Here given number is 20 and these are the factors. Each factor is a divisor of 20. Divisor means divide 20 by 5. When you divide 20 by 5, then what we see, 5 4 20, remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0, so 5 is a perfect divisor of 20. Here in second case, I am dividing 22 by 5. When 22 will be divided by 5, then what we see? The quotient is for a remainder is 2. Here remainder is not equal to 0. The remainder is not equal to 0. So 5 is not a perfect divisor of 22. Perfect divisor, or we can say divisor also. Both words are same, perfect divisor or divisor. Then what we have studied? After division, if remainder is 0, then that divisor is known as perfect divisor. And each factor is a perfect divisor. It is clear. 5 is a divisor of 20 and here 5 is not a divisor of 22 because remainder is not equal to 0. Now we shall read rules of divisibility one by one. First rule is divisibility by 2. A given number will be given, then without actual division, how we can say this number is divisible by 2 or not? There are one rule. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits, if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its unit place. For example, 246 is a given number. Here example I have taken one. This is the example 1. Example 1, 246. We have to check this is divisible by 2 or not. Here we have not to do actual division. Without actual division we have to decide. What we have seen, the unit place digit. This is the 6 is the unit place digit. Unit place digit is 6. And here I have written if 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any one of these digits are at the unit place, then that will be divisible by 2. Here 6 is divisible, 6 is at the unit place, so the number 246 is divisible by 2. In the second example I have taken 247. Here what we said, the unit place, which digit is here? 7. 7 is at the unit place and it is not divisible by 2 because 7 is not out of these digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Out of these 7 is not there. So without actual division we can say which that number is divisible by 2 or not. The next is divisibility by 3. Here what we What is the rule? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Here the for example, first example is 435. We have to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. But here also we have not to do the actual division. We have to take the help of this rule. We have to find the sum of these digits. Digits are 4, 3 and 5. The number is 435 and the digits forming the number are 4, 3 and 5. We shall find the sum 4 plus 3 plus 5, this is equal to 12. Here we know 12 is divisible by 3. So the given number 435 is also divisible by 3. Clear? To check the divisibility by 3, we have to find the sum of all the digits. If the sum is divisible by 3, then that number will be also divisible by 3. Second example is 535. The given number is 535 and this is the number. And what are the digits forming this number 5, 3 and 5. We have to find the sum 5 plus 3 plus 5, this is equal to 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So this given number 535 is also not divisible by 3. Clear? We have seen what we have discussed. To check the divisibility by 3, we have to find the sum of all digits forming that number. And if that sum is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. 435, 4 plus 3 plus 5, the sum is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So this number 435 is also divisible by 3. And the second example is 535. The sum of digit is 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Now divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, that is by the digit at the ones place and tens place is divisible by 4. It will be clear from the example. I have written a number 6432. We have to check this number is divisible by 4 or not. What is the rule? First we have to see which number is formed by the last two digits. Last two digit means the unit place digit and tens place digit. The last two digit number is 32. Number formed by last two digit is 32. 32 is divisible by 4. We know 32 is divisible by 4. So the given number is also divisible by 4. What is the rule? To check the divisibility by 4, we have to see what is the number formed by the last two digits. And here last two digit means unit place digit and tens place digit. This number is 32. We have to check this number formed by last two digit is divisible by 4 or not. Here number is 32. 32 is divisible by 4. So the entire number 6432 is divisible by 4. Second example is 56,435. We have to check without actual division. We have to check this number is divisible by 4 or not. Here again we shall apply the same rule. We have to see which number is formed by the last two digit. Here we see the last two digit means unit tens place digit and unit place digit. This is 35. The number formed by the last two digit is 35. And we have to check 35 is divisible by 4 or not. We know 35 is not divisible by 4. So this entire number is not divisible by 4. See the rule once again. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, that is the unit place digit and tens place digit, is divisible by 4. The number formed by last two digit 35, this is 35 is not divisible by 4. So this number 56,435 is also not divisible by 4. Now we shall read divisibility by 5. Without actual division, again, how we can say this number is divisible by 5 or not? A number is divisible by 5 if the digit at its unit place is either 0 or 5. By seeing the unit place digit, very easily we can decide, we can say this number is divisible by 5 or not. This is the first example, 2465. Here unit place digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. I have written unit place digit is 5. So the number is also divisible by 5. This is the first example. This is the second example. Unit place digit is 0. There may be 1 0 or last 2 0. It does not mean unit place digit. This is the unit place. And here this is 0. This is divisible by 5. Unit place digit is 0. So the number is also divisible by 5. This is the third example. Here we see I have written 2678. Here unit place digit is 8. 8 is neither 0 nor 5. The rule is unit place digit is either 0 or 5. Here either 0 or 5. Then it will be divisible by 5. This is 8, not 0 or 5. So unit place digit is not 0 or 5. So the number is not divisible by 5. Okay. In next video we shall read further the divisibility rule for other numbers. Thanks.